cyber threat analysis and risk management, safeguarding your business. Welcome back, cybersecurity enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of threat analysis and risk management, exploring the current cyber threats that businesses face and how they can conduct effective risk assessments to safeguard their digital assets. Understanding the cyber threat landscape. To begin, let's take a closer look at the ever-evolving cyber threat landscape. Malicious actors are becoming more sophisticated, employing advanced techniques to exploit vulnerabilities in digital infrastructure. From malware and phishing attacks to ransomware and data breaches, businesses are constantly at risk. Importance of threat analysis. To effectively defend against cyber threats, businesses must conduct thorough threat analysis. This involves identifying potential risks and understanding the tactics, techniques, and procedures (TandT) employed by cybercriminals. By staying ahead of the curve, organizations can proactively strengthen their defenses. Conducting a comprehensive risk assessment. Now, let's talk about risk assessments. This crucial step involves evaluating the vulnerabilities and potential impact of cyber threats on your organization. Conducting a comprehensive risk assessment allows businesses to prioritize their security efforts and allocate resources where they are needed most. Mitigation strategies. Once vulnerabilities are identified, it's time to implement mitigation strategies. This could include encryption, multi-factor authentication, regular software updates, and employee training programs. A multi-layered approach is key to creating a robust defense against cyber threats. As we wrap up our journey through threat analysis and risk management, remember that cybersecurity is an ongoing process. By understanding the current cyber threats, conducting regular risk assessments, and implementing effective mitigation strategies, businesses can fortify their defenses against the ever-present dangers of the digital world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay informed, stay secure,